Welcome back to my channel, Elves of Musicara. In today's video, pag-aaralan po natin ang There Is No Glory Without Sacrifice by Jackielyn Roy. This song is requested by Michelle Montero Umayam of Thailand. Sawadee ka! At syempre, birthday mo ngayon, kaya tara na! Huwag na nating patagalin. Grab your guitar and let's begin! A major or A, second fret, string number 4, 3, and 2. Skip string number 6, hit 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next we have D major, second fret, string number 3 and number 1, third fret, string number 2, hit string 5 and 6, hit 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, we have B minor, second fret, hold like this. Third fret, string number 2. Fourth fret, string number 4 and 3. For B minor, skip string number 6. Next, we have B. Third fret, hold like this. String 4, 3, 2 on a third fret, and string 1 on a first fret. Para sa mga beginner, pwede ganito. Pero kung kaya niyong iipit yung ganito, salin niyo itong string number 5. Skip string number 6 para sa ating B major. Para naman sa ating A2, second fret, string number 4 and number 3. Para sa ating A2, skip string number 6, hit 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. E suspended, second fret, string 5, 4, 3. Next, we have E major, second fret, hold like this, string number 5 and string number 4, first fret, string number 3. Next, we have A suspended, second fret, string number 4 and string number 3. Third fret is string number 2. A sus. Skip string number 6. Hit 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, we have D2. Second fret, hold like this. String number 3. Third fret, string number 2. 4, D2. Next, we have B minor 7, second fret, string number 5, string number 3, and string number 1. This time, skip string number 6, hit 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 for B minor 7. D major 7, second fret, string number 1, 2, and 3. Hold like this, skip string number 6 and 5. Hit 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, we have F sharp minor, easy way, second fret, hold like this, using your thumb, string number 3, 2, 1. Hold like this. Or like this. It's up to you kung saan kayo mas komportable. Okay. Like this position or like that. Next, we have A6, 2nd fret string number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hold like this. Skip string number 6, hit 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, we have C sharp on a 4th fret. Hold like this. 6th fret string number 2, 3, and 4. C sharp. Next, we have C sharp minor, same, 4th fret, hold like this. 5th fret, 2nd string, 6th fret, string number 4 and 3, 4 and 3, for C sharp minor. C sharp minor 7, fret number 4, hold like this. 2nd string on a 5th fret, then on a 6th fret, 4th string. C sharp minor 7. Skip string number 6. F sharp minor 7, fret 2, hold like this. 4th fret string number 5. F sharp minor 7. Next, F sharp, 2nd fret, hold like this. 3rd fret, 3rd string. 4th fret, string number 5 and 4. F sharp. F sharp suspended 4, 2nd fret, hold like this. On a 4th fret, string number 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3, then fret 2. F sharp suspended 4. Next, we have G sharp minor on a 4th fret. 4th fret, hold like this. 6th fret, string number 5 and 4. G sharp minor. Next, we have D sharp or E flat. On a 6th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th fret, hold like this. On a 8th fret, string number 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. D sharp or E flat. Next, C sharp 7, 2nd fret, string number 2, 3rd fret, string number 4, 1, and 4th fret, string number 5, and string number 3, for C sharp 7. I hope nagustuhan niyo yung ating bagong tutorial, ang There is no glory without sacrifice. So muli, happy birthday to you, Sister Michelle. At gusto ko rin i-shout out yung mga kapatiran natin sa Thailand KLC at yung mga kababayan natin sa Siam Airport. Sawadee ka! Ingat kayo palagi. Keep safe kayo dyan. At once again, thanks for watching this video. And if you like it, click like and subscribe to keep this channel alive. Bye-bye! Father bless everyone!